Tired of crypto platforms that promise the moon but deliver dust? Today, we're putting Transak under the microscope. Is it a legitimate gateway to crypto, or another scam waiting to happen? First, let's look at who Transak is partnering with. Notice anything familiar? These aren't fly-by-night operations. These are established players in the crypto world. Their presence lends serious credibility to Transak. A legitimate business attracts legitimate partners. Now, the transaction process. Transak acts as a bridge, connecting your fiat currency to crypto. They handle the complexities of KYC, AML, and payment processing. The key here is transparency. They clearly show fees upfront before you commit. Let's dive into what users are saying. Transparency is key here. We are not cherry-picking. Look at Trustpilot, Reddit, and other platforms. While some users report positive experiences, others highlight concerns like slow processing times or issues with customer support. No company is perfect, so be aware of potential issues. Security is paramount. Transak employs industry-standard security measures, including encryption, KYC, AML compliance, and fraud detection. However, always remember that no platform is 100% immune to risks. The verdict: Transak appears to be a legitimate platform, backed by reputable partners and transparent processes. However, like any crypto platform, exercise caution. Always do your own research, start with small transactions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.